Hello, today we will share our video of the just past Stone Fair. Our exhibits arrived at the exhibition hall and started to unload. Exhibits arrived at our booth, total in 6 wooden crates for 3 fireplace mantles. We started by installing the fireplace mantle with our bare hands, without any electric lifting tools. We tried to make the installation video as detailed as possible without fast forwarding, hoping to give you some help when installing your fireplace. The order of installing the fireplace mantle is same. First put the floor tile, then the 2 sides. We need to pay attention to the correct position of the 2 sides. This is special AB marble glue for fix. Need to pay attention to the usage ratio of A and B. We start placing the fireplace core. Finally, place the cover of the fireplace and the installation of the fireplace is complete. Now let's install the second fireplace. Let us see how we unpack the fireplace crate. Just open the lid first. Open the lid and you'll see the fireplace. First, you need to move the small balls other than the floor tile and put them aside. This is the cover tile. Put it aside for now. This is the base plate we're going to place first. Take it out. Then you need to distinguish between the top and bottom, the inside and the outside. Then place it where it needs to be. Then install the 2 sides. Install the 2 plates behind the sides. Then the baffle around the hearth. Finally, place the cover plate. Make sure it is in the middle. Now let's install the third and final fireplace. This is a fireplace with an arc opening. After placing the base plate, need to measure the placement position on the base plate. The 2 pieces in front are carved into 2 pieces and placed separately. The placement needs to be very precise, otherwise there will be a large gap. Then place the tiles on 2 sides. Finally, place the cover tile. exhibits have been placed. Come and see our results. Exquisite fireplace made of Italian coral stone. Such an elegant curved white marble fireplace. A very beautiful fireplace with many beautiful flowers. There is no fire in the middle, and the effect after the fire. The details are carved so perfectly. The white car marble from Italy is paired with our exquisite carvings. What a beautiful fireplace! The sides are also carved so beautifully, showing you the beauty of all directions without dead ends. The most outstanding part is the middle part. The carving is so vivid and realistic, showing our superb carving skills. The fireplace in the middle is one of our most classic carved flowers. It has large petals and seems you can smell the fragrance of flowers. Floral elements are everywhere. This is also one of our best-selling fireplaces. You deserve it. This exquisite sculpture of the Buddha statue is praised by everyone. This is a traditional Chinese guangong sculpture that shocks everyone who sees it. This is a pair of double dragon vases, a rare work of art. This is a set of exquisite jade flower pots and small flower pots made of natural stone. This is a pair of very cute baby elephants. We can customize the same style in your required size. Any size is acceptable. Finally, we really want to thank everyone who visited our booth. Thank you for your presence. We look forward to our wonderful cooperation in the future. We hope to see you again next year.